Today we are reading Bluey Daddy Robot. After the video, stay tuned for reading questions and educational activity ideas for no prep, homeschool learning, or classroom discussion and writing. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for more free learning resources, including free printables and activity ideas, and access to my printable and play-based no prep preschool curriculum for a full year of no prep ready-to-go learning activities for home or school. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories with comprehension questions. Now let's read Bluey Daddy Robot. Bluey and Bingo are coloring when Mom tells them it's time to tidy up. "Aw, Mom, we don't like tidying up." "There's no way around it, I'm afraid." Bluey has an idea. "Let's get Daddy Robot to do it." "Hey, Daddy Robot," says Bluey, "we need you to do something. Come with us to the playroom." "Beep, yes, Master." "Actually curious," says Bluey. "Yes, Master," beeps Daddy Robot. "And Robo Boogie," says Bingo. "Yes, Master." In the playroom, Bluey orders Daddy Robot to tidy up. "To serve my masters, it's the highest honor." Daddy Robot gets to work. "Ah, so relaxing," says Bingo. "Yeah, this is how we should always do it," says Bluey. "Daddy Robot, we never want to tidy up the playroom ever again." "Never again?" asks Daddy Robot, recalculating objectives. Daddy Robot scoops Bluey and Bingo up. "Where are you taking us? Hee hee, I love Daddy Robot." "You two are the reason playroom is always untidy. If I throw you in the wheelie bin, playroom will always be tidy." Bluey yells for Mom's sprayer. She sprays Daddy Robot straight in the eyes, and he starts malfunctioning. Beep, beep, boop, syntax error. "Why was Daddy Robot throwing you in the wheelie bin?" Mom asks. Well, replies Bluey. Daddy Robot grabs Bluey by the legs. "Must tidy up. Come here, vacuum cleaner." "I'm not a vacuum cleaner," shouts Bluey. "Yeah, she's not a vacuum cleaner," yells Bingo. "What are you doing out of the laundry basket?" Daddy Robot asks Bingo. "I folded you this morning. Come here." "She's not laundry," yells Bluey. Daddy Robot looks at her. "Oh no," he says. "A guinea pig has escaped." Bluey is worried she can't stop Daddy Robot. "You have to push his nose to turn him off," calls Mom. "But how?" asks Bingo. "Look, Daddy Robot," she says. "It's a mummy robot." "Bert, hello." "Cheese and crackers," says Daddy Robot. "You're the most beautiful robot I've ever seen." While Daddy Robot is distracted, Bluey hits the off switch on his nose. "Powering down," says Daddy Robot. "Cursed to depart, having only just known your beauty." "Oh," says Mum. "Poor Daddy Robot." "Please fix him," says Bingo. "I'll try my best," says Mum. "These circuits are badly damaged. It's strange. Daddy Robots don't usually go crazy like that." "Actually," says Bluey, "it's our fault. We ordered Daddy Robot to tidy the playroom for us," says Bingo. "Oh, I see," says Mum. "I'll tell you a secret. Daddy Robots will always find the easiest way to do a job, just like kids. Hee hee. It's time to turn Daddy Robot back on." Doot, 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 doot. "Hello, Daddy Robot," says Bluey. "How are you feeling?" asks Bingo. Daddy Robot reboots. "I dreamed I met a robot angel," he beeps. "Hello, Master. What are my orders?" "Follow us to the playroom. Now sit down," says Bluey. "Are you sure, Master?" beeps Daddy Robot. "Shouldn't I tidy something up for you?" "No," says Bluey and Bingo. "We order you to relax." "Look who's here," says Bluey. "Cheese and crackers." "You robots relax," Bingo says. "We're going to tidy the playroom." Beep, boop, 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 boop. "This feels like a robo dream," beeps Daddy Robot. "Well," says Mummy Robot, "kiss me before you wake up." What was your favorite part of this book? What happened first, next, then, and last? Feel free to pause the video to discuss or write your answers to these questions. You can also scroll back through the pages, as rereading is an excellent reading skill to reboot or refresh your comprehension. Ready? What was the setting of the story? When and where does it happen? Who is in the story? Name the characters and describe them, both their personalities and appearance. What is the main conflict or problem? How and why do the characters respond to the problem and solve it? What do the characters learn in the story, and what can you learn from them? What is the lesson or theme? What can you learn from this story, and how can you apply it to your own life? Write or draw what you can learn from this book and how you can apply it to your own life, or draw your favorite characters or scenes from the book. You can also imagine your own scene, new characters, or a completely different story to make your own book with Bluey or any characters you like. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories with comprehension questions, drawing, and writing activities. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for principal and play-based, no-prep preschool curriculum and free learning principles and activity ideas for homeschool or the classroom. Thank you for reading with me.